I filmed a whole entire Halloween decorations video where I went through and decorated my entire apartment, and it was so long and so much longer than I ever thought it would be. It's kind of like obnoxious, like 50 minutes long. So I figured since that was so long, I would go through and do a quick like Halloween apartment tour video of just all my decorations and make it a lot more condensed, just in case if you didn't want to actually watch the entire 50 minutes of the other one. But the other video does show you how to do everything. So this is just a really quick walkthrough, but this is my Halloween apartment tour 2020. Welcome to my apartment. No, but seriously, this really didn't change that. Okay, the wind was horrible, so I'm just doing a voiceover for this quick section, but I basically kept everything the same. I DIY'd this doormat and it's held up so well. And then I just got this wreath from Home Goods for like $24. And then these pumpkins down here, they're just cheapy ones from Michael's, and to make it look more expensive, we gold rub and buff the top of it. And that is what we did in the front door area. And then we come up the stairs into like my entryway. So this isn't really an entryway at all, but for my apartment, it's as good as we can get. And I love it. This actually turned out so much better than I thought. I said in my other video how before, like the year before I bought my apartment, I just would go like crazy after the holidays when everything was like 75% off. And so almost all of my decor that I bought for Halloween was from last year. So I kind of forgot what I bought, and this turned out so well. So we just have some spider webs. I'm like so out of breath. We have some spider webs, which are so cheap. It's like $2 for a pack of these. Then I stuck some spiders in there. I just added, like, all the different holidays, I add different types of branches. So these are just some black sparkly ones from Michael's. Then I have my printable fall decor, which is on my website. That didn't change. And then these are $3 bats that I bought from, or like, I didn't buy, well, I did. I sent them to the printer from Office Depot and printed those for $3, which is actually kind of BS, because after I did this, I thought this was such a cheap and good idea. And then I realized you could buy them on $5 from Amazon and you don't need to cut it out. So that's what we'll do next year, but it's fine. It was a fun thing that gave me something to look forward to. So that's how I did the bats. And then this is from Walmart, and I'm actually, oh no, a bat fell into there, I didn't even realize. But this is from Walmart, and I'm gonna fill it with candy. I just haven't done it yet, so that's really cute. And then we come into the apartment more. Okay, so don't judge this bathroom. I'm decorating the entire thing, like actually decorating it, like next week. And my sister's recording this and her kombucha is out there. But this is just, I don't know, this was really simple and I kind of just threw this together. But these candlestick holders were from Target, bought them last year for like 75% off. Then these candles that drip red is from At Home for $2. And this is Black Skull is also from Target. And I realized that like 90% of the stuff that I bought for Halloween decor was skulls. So it's a very apparent theme throughout my apartment. And then, okay, stay there for 2 seconds. I need to close the door. We didn't decorate. We really only decorated the main areas for Halloween, not like any of the bedrooms. So in the kitchen that we can go to, this is more like fallish, but on all of the chairs, I added in these wreaths, which is from the dollar section at Target. And then over here, I have this little turn tray table thing. I need a bigger version of this black one. This like doesn't fit at all, but I just put some pumpkins in here. This was like fall decor, so I'm gonna leave this up all throughout Thanksgiving. And to make them cuter, we did the same thing as we did outside. We just got white pumpkins and then did gold leaf. These are the best candles ever from like Home Goods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. They smell so good and they're really cheap. And then these cute little salt and pepper skulls, which I think are just so cute. And I have this like fallish type of greenery. It's fake, obviously, if you can't tell, but that's from Hobby Lobby. And then over here, we have this little section, and this gold skull is from Home Goods. And then this is one of my printables for free on my website. The same, like you can download in the same thing as the other ones that I had in my entryway. And this frame was from Goodwill for $2, which is awesome. This Pampas, I think it's called. I don't know exactly what it's called, but that's from Michael's. And then the cutest, like the most non-tacky dish towel that I could find. There's so many tacky Halloween towels are these bat ones. These were from Home Goods, so I thought those looked really cute. And then let's come back around. Oh, side note, if you're looking for a really cheap candle that smells up your entire apartment for like fall or Christmas, these ones from Walmart, the Better Homes and Gardens, are the best. They're not cute, so whenever I have guests, I like put it away and put out my cute candles. But they're so good. Shelby, aren't they good? Yeah, she's saying yes. Okay. And then over here, I kind of just threw these together, but these pumpkins are from Target. I don't know where this skull's from. I kind of just randomly threw that there. And then over here, this was the same. So this I had up for my fall. This was fall, and then the only thing I added to make it more Halloween-y was this garland. Yeah, garland, and it just has more skull stuff. Shocker. And then over here we have this little section, and I printed these out the same exact way. I'm kind of struggling with how much these are bending, but it's fine, whatever. It was really cheap. So I printed out those letters and then just stuck them in a garland. These are the same bats. Oh, it's so annoying. These are the same bats that I made for the entryway for $3 from Office Depot, which was great. And then this is the extra spider web stuff. So that was like, you could put that, I mean, I probably put this together for like $10, if that. So it's a really cheap decor you can make. And then I thought it was kind of funny to have this skull guy like sitting here, and I want to get a fake, like not fake, but a plastic wine glass, because I think it'd be funny if he was holding it. So that's really it. Oh yeah, and then just, this is like super simple, but on the coffee table I just added this little guy. But that is my Halloween decor 2020 edition for my apartment. Like I said, almost everything I bought last year, so it was so easy. If you are getting an apartment or planning on getting an apartment or a house or whatever, or even in general, I'm gonna do this too, go shopping after the holidays. I like probably spent less than $100 on all of this. Way less than $100, and it looks, I think it looks really good. So I hope you like this video. For more decorating ideas, organization tips, and cleaning hacks, follow me on Instagram at @BySophiaLee and subscribe to my channel.